students. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of chapter 7, derivation of S function from C function. It means how we are going to derive saving function from consumption function. Then we are going to discuss through diagrammatically and schedule. First of all, I am giving you the schedule. That schedule say we are going to use for diagrammatic. First, y, all of you know y equal to as, that's why I am not drawing again. Second column, that is consumption, and the third column, that is s. All of you know income, the part of the income, either it is consumed or either it is saving. That's why we can say y equal to c plus s. If we want to find out c, how we can find out? Y minus s. If we are going to find out s, how we can find out? Y minus c. Clear? So now first of all, suppose our income is 0. There will be the minimum level of consumption, that is 20. Then saving will be minus 20. Clear? When your income increases, definitely your consumption will also increase. Suppose it is 60, how much saving will be? Negative saving. If still your income is increasing, your consumption will also increase and your saving will be 0. When your income is increases till y equal to c, then your consumption will also increase, but your saving will be 10. Now, if there is increasing in income, then also your consumption will also increase and your saving will also increase. Now, I am going to explain you one by one what is the motive of that, how we are going to derive saving function from consumption function. All of you know, when your income is 0, then there will be the minimum level of consumption. Minimum level of consumption, it is denoted by C bar. Clear? And that is denoted by when your income is 0, then your minimum consumption will be there, that is denoted by C bar. And when your C bar is there, then your saving will be in, how we are going to denote it? S bar, and which is with minus sign. Clear? This is known as a situation of dissaving. It means saving negative. Clear? When your income is 0, minimum consumption will be C bar, which is denoted by C bar, and minimum whatever you are going to get is saving, that will be known as a negative saving. That's why it is shown as a minus S bar. Clear? This is known, that is a similar thing. When it is given in the question minus S bar, you should know that is C bar. If it is given C bar, you should understand that is minus S bar. Still, if your income is increasing, definitely your consumption will increase, and this situation is known as a dissaving. Which kind of situation? Dissaving. But make it sure we are not going to use a bar sign. Why? Minus S, definitely we are going to write, but we are not going to write S bar. S bar, it means minimum level of consumption when income is 0. When your income is equal to C, you can see when your income is equal to C, it means y equal to C. Then in that condition, S will be 0. Clear? The first point which I have explained you, when your income is 0, there will be a C bar, minimum level of consumption, which has to be shown minus S bar. Still your income is increasing, your consumption will increase, but this situation is known as a minus saving. When your income and consumption is equal, you can see very easily second point, that is when your income and consumption is equal, then your saving is 0. Now still if your income is increasing, your consumption will also increase. Clear? And in that condition, which kind of saving will be there? Positive saving. It is known as a savings. Clear? Now still if your income is increases, your consumption will increase as well as your saving will also increase. Income increases, consumption increases, and saving will also increases. It is a positively related. That is the third one. Clear? Now we are going to show it how we are going to draw saving function from consumption function, which I am going to draw here. Now, how we are going to find out saving function from consumption function? Look at here. First of all, we are going to draw a diagram of related consumption function, and exactly below it we are going to draw saving function. Clear? You have to draw this diagram parallel. It means simultaneously. You can see very easily here we are always taking y. It means income. Here also we are going to take income. Sorry, it is a negative. So let me rub it. Saving will be negative. In between we are supposed to draw here OX. It will be shows income. Here we are going to show consumption function. And here we are going to show saving function. Clear? Now, income 0, 50, 100, 150 and 200. Clear? In the same way you have to draw. If you are finding any kind of problem, then do it with your ruler. $50, $100, $150, $200. Clear? Same way you have to write 50, 100, 150 exact below. If you want, then you can use your scale. Clear? Now here we are going to show consumption function. Consumption function, that is, all of you know, that is 20-20 gap. So 20-22 we are not able to take. We can take 50, 100, 150, 200. If you want, then you can take 40-40 gap also, or 50-50 gap, as you wish. And same you can see here, we can take 10 and 20 because we are not required more than that minus 1. Clear? Now, first of all, we are going to draw which one? Y equal to AS. All of you know Y equal to AS, 0 to 0, 50 to 50, 100 to 100, 150 to 150 and 200 to 200. Clear? That will be the straight line which you are going to find out. Straight line you are going to find out, that is Y equal to AS. Clear? Now next we are going to draw Y and C. 0, if there is a 0, minimum level of consumption will be 20. Now if your income is 50, then your minimum consumption level will be 60. Clear? When your income is 100, minimum level of consumption will be, consumption will be 100, 150, 140, 150, 140. Clear? 200, 180. Draw it. Sorry, 150, 140 will be here and 180. Now draw it. With a scale you can draw it. You are going to find out the exact straight line. Clear? That is C. It is known as a C. Y equal to AS and C function I have drawn. Now I am going to draw which one? Saving. Now say it. 0 minus 20, 0 minus 20, then 50 minus 10, 50 minus 10, 100, 0 and 150, 10, 150, 10 and 200, that is 20. Clear? Now draw this also. You are going to find that is also a straight line. Clear? Now you can see when your saving is negative. Here we are going to show when your saving is negative, when your income is 0, then which kind of consumption it is there? Minimum level of consumption, which is denoted by C bar. You have to show in that manner C bar. Here we are going to show that minus S bar. Your income is 0. Which kind of saving will be there? Which kind of consumption will be there? Minimum consumption, which is denoted by C bar. And here we are going to show this saving, but with a minus sign and bar. It shows that minimum level of consumption. If when your income increases, your consumption is also increasing. You can see very easily when your income is increasing, your consumption is also increasing. But here you can say Y is greater than C. Clear? Why? Because it is, Y is less than C. You can see very easily Y less and C is above it. So because of this reason Y is less than C. When there is a Y less than C, which kind of situation it will be there? This saving, it means saving will be in a minus situation. Clear? When Y equal to C, you can see very easily at this point Y equal to C. It is known as a Y equal to C is known as a break even point. When your Y is equal to C, then S will be 0. Same line you have to draw in that manner and you have to write S equal to 0. Which shows when your income is equal to consumption, saving will be 0. This point you have to write that is a BEP point, matlab break even point. Clear? Now the next point is still if your income increases, your consumption is also increases, but in that point income will be higher than consumption. The remaining amount will be known as saving. This shows the positive saving. Clear? This area is showing positive saving. In that manner, you have to derive of X function from C function. What we have done? First of all, we have drawn consumption function and income function. From that, we are able to draw saving function. Clear? Now you have to explain the diagram in that manner. In your exam only, when your income is 0, your minimum level of consumption, which is shown by minus S bar. When your income is less and consumption is higher, which kind of situation? That is this saving. When your income is equal to C, S equal to 0, this point is known as a break-even point. Still, if your income is increasing, your consumption will also increase, but your income will be higher. The remaining income will be known as a remaining part of the income will be known as a left out, which is positive saving. If Y is greater than C, the remaining amount will be known as a saving, which shows a positive saving. Clear? Now we are going to discuss the relationship between saving function and consumption function. It means we are going to discuss what is the relationship between APS and APC and MPC and MPS. It is a very easy topic, that's why I want to explain right now only. That is the first point, the relationship between MPS plus MPC, MPS and MPC, and the second relationship between APS and APC. Clear? I am asking that first relationship which I am going to solve, MPC plus MPS 1. Why equal to 1? We are assuming that that is whole income. 1 is whole income. Now all of you know income is either consumed or either saved. If 50% income I am consuming, then 50% definitely I am going to the save. If I am consuming 75% of income, then 25% I definitely save. So whole income I treated as a 1. Now all of you know what is the formula of MPC? Change in C upon change in Y. We have to prove how MPC plus MPS equal to 1. Change in C upon change in Y. All of you know the formula of MPS and MPC. Now change in S upon change in Y. The formula of MPS. Now LCM change in Y, you know what you are going to draw, that is this C plus S, and all of you know C plus S equal to Y. If C plus S equal to Y, then change in C plus change in S equal to change in Y. So change in Y upon change in Y 1. Clear? Now the second which relationship, that is APS plus APC equal to 1. APS also, that what is the formula of that? S upon Y, and APC formula, that is C upon Y equal to 2. Find out LCM. You can find out very easily. C plus S equal to, again I told you, Y upon Y equal to 1. Clear? That is the relationship between MPC and MPS. If MPC is 0.8, then MPS will be 0.2. If APS is 0.4, then APC will be 0.6. Clear? I am just giving you the example. If MPC is 0.8, then what will be the value of MPS? You can find out very easily. 1 minus 0.8 equal to MPS equal to 0.2. If APS is, just let me explain you, MPC plus MPS equal to, all of you know, 1, which we have proved. If in the question it is given MPC 0.8, how we are going to find out MPS? Very easily, MPS equal to 1 minus 0.8. How much it will be? 0.2. Same way we can find out if APC or APS it is given. Suppose APS it is given 0.4. Then what will be the value of APC? That will be 0.6. Clear? Now in the next session we are going to start the new chapter, that is I am going to upload the questions of related topic or notes of the related topic. You just note it down in your economics copy. Thank you and take care.